Lancelot Link, secret chimp. Stands for justice, he has no fear. He's the agent to call when trouble is near. Lance Link, you gotta come through. Everybody at 8 is counting on you. Pretty mighty heavy, an agent and a friend that she'll stick by your side right to the end. Darwin is the leader on the side of good. Fight Trump agents like a good ape should. Oh, Lance Link, what you gonna do? You gotta stop the chump, the job is up to you. Stand on the butcher, you better beware. He's ruthless and cunning and he don't play fair. He's got an evil chauffeur and Credo's his name. And Dragon Woman's lovely, but she's wicked all the same. Oh, Lance Link, what you gonna do when that Doctor Strange man comes after you? There's alias Assassin and Wicked Wang Fu. And the Dutch Susan looks can really fool you. Oh, Lancelot Link, secret chimp. He stands for justice, he has no fear. He's the agent to call when trouble is near. Lance Link, what you gonna do?
In the apartment of the glamorous ape agent, Mata Hari, Mata was suffering one of her rare, unglamorous moments.
Hello, babies. You got it, too? Something must be going around. Choo!
Little does Mata know that she is one of the victims of a terrible plot directed by Chump's devilish dragon woman.
So, door not locked, you may enter. Wang Fu, come in and sit down. There. Gesundheit. Our plan seems to be working.
Soon everyone sneeze brains out.
The nation was caught in the grip of a new epidemic, the dreaded Hong Kong sneeze.
Very fortunate. It is Hong Kong sneeze you have. Huh. Yes, for we have only cure for it. Ha, ha. With this serum, Chump shall rule while the rest of the world sneezes itself into oblivion.
Lance Link, secret chimp. The dreaded Hong Kong sneeze. The news that Chump threatened the world with a dreadful sneezing epidemic had not yet reached Ape's top agent, Lance Link, enjoying a day off.
It's my golf club phone. Now, who knows me on the 6th hole? All right.
The call was from the dispensary at Ape headquarters, where Commander Darwin, the head of Ape, had also come down with the dreaded Hong Kong sneeze.
All right. Hold on. Wait a second, will you? Can't get this top off here. Probably a wrong number anyway. I should have got myself an unlisted golf club. Hello? Hello? Lads? Look, go down and get Mata and bring her down here to the Ape dispensary at once. Yeah.
And step on it, yeah?
Oh, Gesundheit. Be right over, Commander. Something strange is going on. First Mata sneezing, and now Darwin. I better go pick up Mata as soon as I finish this hole. Looks like a par 4.
On the way to Ape headquarters, Lance and Mata saw further evidence of the strange epidemic everywhere.
Everybody's sneezing. Look over there, Mata. What's going on around here? Gesundheit, Commander Darwin. Gesundheit, Mata. You know, it's funny, Commander. Everybody on the street was sneezing, too. Any ideas?
What's your theory, Darwin?
Now listen to me. Chump has introduced an epidemic of that rare disease, the dreaded Hong Kong sneeze. And the only cure is a serum in the hands of the Dragon Woman. Yeah. Don't you worry, Commander. We'll get the serum.
At the Waterfront Cafe Incorporated, a well-known hangout for the Dragon Woman's notorious crew, the first step in the desperate search for the vital serum was about to begin.
Hey, waiter! What does a guy have to do to get some decent service around here, huh?
To conceal their identities, Lance and Mata had assumed clever disguises. Lance managing to get himself a job as a waiter, and Mata masquerading as a customer.
Listen, Mata, when the Dragon Woman gets here, that's the time you make your move.
Okay, I'll sneak out to her junk and search for the serum.
The Dragon Woman just came in with the Baron. You get going and leave those two to me.
Bye.
Excuse me, Blondie. We'll sit right here, Dragon Woman.
Hey, how about my check? I've got a dentist appointment. Sorry, Buster. That's not my table. I got my own special customers over there to take care of. Oh, good evening, folks. I'm your waiter, Ralph. What do you have?
How about a boiled lobster and mixed green salad with French dressing?
Yeah, make that 2 boiled lobsters on salad, waiter.
Oh, I got it checked out with the cook. Excuse me.
Lance was stalling for time, using every trick he knew. While Mata, in Ape Speedboat, was racing to the Dragon Woman's junk to search for the serum.
Gosh, I'm terribly sorry, folks, but we just ran out of lobster.
What is your suggestion, waiter?
Perhaps you'd enjoy the specialty of the house, Chateaubriand, and for dessert, Cherry's Jubilee.
It sounds delicious.
Sorry, folks, we just ran out of that, too.
Well, Domkov, what do you have to eat?
Pizza. Waiter! Hey, waiter! Pest.
That looks delicious. I've never eaten a pizza.
Meanwhile, out on the Dragon Woman's junk, Mata searched frantically for the precious serum that could provide the only cure for the dreaded Hong Kong sneeze.
Oh, it has to be hidden around here somewhere.
Ah, good. Ah.
Okay, folks, mixed green salad coming up. Waiter, my patience is wearing thin. Get me the maitre d'.
Ah, very tasty, delicious. My compliments to the chef waiter on his pizza pie. You must get me the recipe for the Chump menu. Yeah, very good. Good. Excellent. Terrific.
Hey!
At the worst possible moment, Lance caught the Hong Kong sneeze.
What?
Uh-oh.
That waiter is no waiter, that's Lancelot Link. Quick, the knockout drop. Give it to him. Now. Good. That takes care of Link. Now no one can prevent the Hong Kong sneeze.
Then nothing can stop us. No, nothing.
We shall return to the junk so we can check the progress of the epidemic. Let's go.
As the Baron and Dragon Woman raced toward the Dragon Woman's junk, Mata's search for the precious serum was rewarded. But before she could make her escape, she heard the chumps coming aboard.
Come, Dragon Woman. Let us go below.
Oh, I gotta find a place to hide.
This way, follow me. We will go check the map. It will tell us the whole story. Ah, the Hong Kong sneeze is catching on rapidly in Pittsburgh. And it's knocking them for a loop in Cleveland. And it sounds like it's doing pretty good in that closet, too.
I go see. Have suspicion it is Ape Agent. Who's ever in there, beware. You are trapped now, Mata Hari.
Mata Hari, I'm going to take care of you personally.
Achoo!
Well, Commander, the serum Marta took from Chump has been distributed around the country, and the sneezing epidemic is over.
How do you feel, sir?
Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not sneezing anymore. No, sir, no more.
Good. We brought you some flowers, Commander Darwin. We sure hope you enjoy them.
Well, thank you very much. What kind of flowers are they?
Goldenrod.
What? Goldenrod with my hay fever?
Sorry, Commander.
Guess Chump learned another lesson.
What?
Crime is nothing to be sneezed at.
Boy, oh boy, I really did it this time. Boy.
Link, you pay for this. Wait till I get out of here. Yeah, wait.
Hi there, I'm Ed Simeon. Right now I have something groovy for you. Groovy. It's a new recording group called Lancelot, Link, and the Evolution Revolution. So, for all of you youngsters out there, here they are with one of their latest tunes. It'll be a really big show. Woo, 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 woo.
Lancelot, Link, and the Evolution Revolution.
Fun watchers. I'm Herman, and this is my little friend, Sherman. Say hi to everybody, Sherman. Now, say hello, dummy. Hello, dummy. My, you certainly think you're clever, don't you, Sherman? Uh-huh. Compared to you, I am. Oh, yeah? Well, I'm the boss, and you're nothing. Huh, boss over nothing. Oh, stop that. Ew.
It is exactly 10 o'clock in the morning, and up in his apartment, top ape agent Lance Link is casually getting ready for his day. But at that very same moment, across town, at the 4th Citizens National Bank, the evil criminal organization of Chump had struck again in a daring daylight holdup.
I got the money.
Stop, thief, stop, stop. We've been robbed. Help, police, police.
Oh, the shower form. It must be Commander Darwin. Hello?
Is that you, Link?
Who else would be on my shower phone? What's up, Commander?
I think Chump just robbed the 4th Citizens National Bank. Get over to Chump immediately. Do you hear? Marta will be there. Find out where they hid the bank loot.
But, Commander, I'm not sure I can go right now.
When I say immediately, I mean it.
Well, you're the boss. Boy.
Following Darwin's orders to the letter, Lance went immediately to Chump headquarters, where he joined his lovely co-agent, Mata Hari.
I know Commander Darwin said immediately, but you really should have gotten dressed.
Yeah.
Lance Link, secret chimp. The Great Bank Robbery. It was a short time later, and behind Chump headquarters, Mata and Lance were observing Chump's leader, the Baron, and the Duchess, trying to learn more about Chump's suspected bank robbery.
I kind of rushed into this assignment, Marta. I've got a question.
What is it, Lancy?
How do we know for sure it was Chump that committed the robbery?
You know the stick-em-up note the teller got?
Yeah?
Well, it was written on Chump's stationery.
Really? That's class.
How come I'm so nervous out here and you're so cool?
Cool? Cool? Are you kidding? I'm freezing.
Meanwhile, inside Chump headquarters, the Baron and Duchess were discussing Chump's latest crime.
Goodbye, pussycat. Tell me, why hasn't Crito returned?
He's hiding the bank loot
Where?
at one of our hiding places underneath the abandoned overpass.
Oh, that's marvelous.
Yeah, and with the speedy new race car we are using for getaways, we can pull off many, many more such bank robberies.
How utterly fascinating.
Yeah, utterly fascinating and pretty good, too.
I'm looking forward to a new Chump crime wave, Baron.
I've got the Baron and the Duchess lined up in the telescope, Marta. I'll bet they've got a hot meeting going on.
If you read lips, we can learn what it's about.
I'm the best lip reader in Ape. Take this down. The Baron just said Duchess. Got that?
I got it, Lance. Duchess. What comes next?
Quiet. You're saying something important. I wish to inform you that the meeting is over.
Gosh, we certainly missed everything, Lancelot.
Yep.
Lance! It's Credo!
Get going.
Yeah.
I'll contact the commander on my banana phone.
Instructed to return to Ape immediately, Lance reported to Commander Darwin.
Say, what is this?
Sorry, Commander. I just haven't had time to put any clothes on.
Well, Link, I have another assignment for you.
Can I get dressed for this one?
I certainly think you'd better. Then go to Parnelli Smith's garage. Yeah.
Will do, Commander. Well, see you later.
Do I have an assignment, Commander?
Yes, and yours is going to be very dangerous. Mother, this assignment will put you right inside of Chump.
Inside?
Mother, these are 2 special boxes of Firebird Girl cookies. That box has a listening device in it, so we can listen in on Chump and find out where they've hidden the bank loot.
I understand.
Good. Now, this is a 2-way cookie radio. See? It's for contacting Lance. There.
Later, at Chump,
Yeah? Yeah, come in.
Mata, disguised as a Firebird girl, had arrived to sell the cookies with the listening device to the Baron.
I have traps all around the estate. How do you Firebird girls get through them every year, huh?
Because a Firebird girl is cheerful, obedient, brave, and tricky.
What do you want, huh?
Kind sir, would you please buy some cookies?
How much?
$1 a box.
Forget it, kid. It's too much. I'll give you 50 cents, and that's only because I like to help out young people. Yeah.
Tell me, kind sir, how is practically stealing a young person's cookies going to help her?
Well, you learn about evil. There's your 50 cents. Now be a nice, sweet little girl and get out of here and stay out. I get a good feeling when I do something rotten.
Meanwhile, at the garage of Parnelli Smith, famous race car driver, Lance was ready for his assignment to trace the route of Chump's getaway car.
Thanks for the map, Parnelli. Now I'll be able to trace the exact route that the bank robber took. You're welcome, Link. Gotta make sure we buckle on this old safety belt. Mm-hmm. All set. Good luck, lad. Oh, boy. Sorry, Parnelli. I can't wait to get this baby on the road. Here we go now. Dead ahead. No, Link, go forward. Right.
Hey there, will you watch where you're going, fella?
Oh, no, my car. I think I'm getting the hang of it.
You take it easy now, do you hear?
Me?
Later, behind the Chump estate, Mata looked for a spot where she could listen in on the Baron's conversation inside the house on her special Firebird Girl cookie radio.
Ooh, I hope they're discussing the robbery.
Interlude from the bank has been hidden under the abandoned overpass.
Lancy,
I'm here, Marta.
the stolen bank loot is hidden under the abandoned overpass.
Gotcha. Parnelli Smith's powerful red rocket race car will get me to the money before you know it, Marta.
Unfortunately, Lance and Mata forgot that they could also be heard by the Baron.
Be careful.
Say, Herr Baron.
Quiet. Pay attention to the cookie.
The abandoned overpass isn't far from here. We'll have the loot in no time.
Hurry, Crito, get going to the overpass.
What if Link has already found the money before I get there, huh?
Oh, what do you think, Tom Cuff? You destroy him.
Moments later, Crito was on his way, but Lance had already arrived at the abandoned overpass and found the bank loot. At Ape, Darwin had been trying to contact Lance.
Calling Lancelot. Link, come in, Link. Link here, Commander. Mission accomplished. The money is safe.
But you're not. We spotted Credo on his way to get you.
Give me 2 minutes and execute Plan B.
Back in the red rocket race car once again, Lance roared away from the abandoned overpass. However, Crito had taken a shortcut and was suddenly closing in on Lance.
I'm gonna get that money back, Abe.
That's what you think, chump. I've still got a trick up my sleeve. We'll see who ends up with the money.
At exactly that moment, Lance hit his supercharger and drew away from Crito, speeding toward the spot where Ape's rescue attempt would take place.
Attention, roadside rescue unit. Execute Plan B.
This way, lads. Over here, up the ramp.
Thank you, Agent B.
You're welcome, lads.
I wonder what happened to Link. He disappeared.
Nice going, Agent B. We sure fooled Crito. And thanks to Marta's Firebird Girl cookies, Chump lost again.
Well, lads, that's the way the cookie crumbles.
That's true.
Congratulations on getting the stolen money back. And you sure deserve the old ape handshake. Yep.
One more time.